medium pressure fuel filter should be inspected for debris during the initial 20-hour service and then again for each regular 100-hour service and replaced as necessary. If you decide to tackle this project yourself, please check with your local authorized Yamaha dealer to make sure you have all the parts and equipment you'll need. And of course, be certain to follow all local, state, and federal laws and regulations. The medium pressure fuel filter is located on the port side of the engine. Remove the cowling, rear, and side panels to access the filter. The medium pressure fuel filter is secured on both ends by a new style of Oetiker clamp. This clamp is reusable and requires a special tool to loosen and refasten it. To loosen the clamp, turn the special tool so that the notch aligns with the protrusion on the clamp. A slight squeeze will release the clamp. Remove the hose and filter assembly from the retainer clamps and the ratchet clamp. Remove the hose from the aft side of the filter. Please be aware that there may be a small amount of residual fuel in the hose. Loosen the retainer by pulling the tabs apart and then sliding the clamp. Now remove the filter. Again, there may be a small amount of fuel in the filter. Remove the used filter. Place the new filter into the filter housing. Orient and replace the filter cap by compressing it and securing the retainer clamp. Now slide the fuel hose into place and use the special tool to close the Oetiker style clamp. Do this by inverting the tool to the opposite direction and using the flat edge against the protrusion. Finally, secure the hose and filter assembly into the clamps and reconnect the ratchet clamp. The replacement of the medium pressure fuel filter is now complete. If at any point you feel like you're in over your head, stop and contact your local authorized Yamaha dealer for assistance. Thanks for watching and happy boating!